nangyayari sa mundo. Maswimming siging make-up.
Grabing pasarali.
Lola, mga lola. Mga lulay. Mga lulay. Ganda hun ang bugyo. May kwentay na. Alara! Happy birthday to you! Oh, my beard! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday,
Nanunay na mama dunay.
Halika na!
Sun is shining oh so bright. Pack your bags, it's time for flight. Beach and waves, the perfect vibe. Feel the heat come alive, alive. Summer vacay, oh let's play.
Ulat! Marasa pa si Tita Jasmine, kaya nakukulugan ang tiyan.
Ano ba yung mga malibakon sa akin? Ina! Ito, yan, mga malibakon nila.
Ibang post naman. Yan, yan, kagayo.
Kaseksi talaga sing mama ko. Jesus Maria Joseph talaga. Mama Dunay, lain ka maudong.
Enjoy din na kami next mag-swimming. Si Tita Dora hindi mapakali sa picture.
Yuan, dito lang! Ulat anay! Uy, si Ash lang si ano ho? Anto ng batit ho! Kaya mama, nagpipictorian! Ulat! Yuan, bilis na! Alis ka dyan, baby! Halika na dito! Sabay na! Baba nila! Kasurang! 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 Halika mo, walang pagpapangalaman.
Mama Dunay, lagi mo tandaan. Maski ang braso mo, bagan legs, love ko ikaw.
Sa picture. Ganyan. Kasi nga, may donay.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party on.
Mama Donay, nag-uruli na kami. Lain ka patapos. Isus talaga. Nananay si Mama Donay. Thank you for watching. Bye!